I've got my ticket ready, so if you're doing the online check-in and then you have to queue right over there, it's a very long queue. So if you're doing a manual check-in at the counter 3, it'll be easier because there's no queue at all. So get a ticket and then after that go to gate C to check in, and let's go to the business class lounge. Security screening is very fast and easy and it's very efficient. So just remove everything and then to put on a tray. And then for mine, I'm not sure why they request to scan my bag one more time, but everything is fine. So now let me head to the Sakura lounge. So here it is, the entrance of the Sakura lounge. It's beautiful, and then the lounge had to go upstairs. Let's follow me. I have no idea why my friend and myself was like denied to go into the lounge, although that our flight ticket is as a J class. So I was told that J class is not business class. So yeah, and I'm here to enjoy my meal before board. I'm pretty sure that the seat looks different. So I will show you. Show you about the seat and then the services. I'm still quite curious why it's not allowed to go to the lounge. There's no English announcement, so wish us good luck. From now, I will not call it business class, I will call it J class. So J class will be board on the left. This way. Today my seat will be at 12K. So boarding time. Hi. So 12, this is the seat of the J class. So it looks like 12K will be right at the back. It's actually shared with the economy. So 12 will be right over here. Take a look at the seat right over here. Take rest. And then this is a controller for you to control the for you to push back slightly, and then the leg rest. Here is a hanger for the jacket, and then what is this? Case. I think it's something for you to clip on. Yeah, it's pretty decent. So can you see right over here is like more than 2 palm size space. And then so the drink tray is right over here. That's it. I tried the first class with this aircraft, Boeing 777-200. The first class seat is very hot. So this J class is quite nice. It's very soft. It's still very spacious. So right over here you can see that they provide the headphone is wrapped up like this again. So there's no screen right over here because it's a 777-200. It's a quite pretty old aircraft. This aircraft is built in with Wi-Fi, so you can enjoy the in-flight entertainment via Wi-Fi. So yeah, I will give it a try if I have time. Hopefully it's easy to operate. Before the door closed, the crew actually came over here to ask whether do I need a blanket or the pillow. So it's a pretty warm aircraft, then I just take the pillow. It's a very small pillow, but it's good enough to support on my back. In the J class, so you only can get the drinks. So the option is plain water, coffee, apple juice, and green tea. So I choose the coffee, and the crew insists to ask you to bring out the tray, and then they'll place the coffee right on the tray to serve you like that. So let me try the coffee. It is actually burning hot. Good aroma, but very light. That's all. So it's about an hour. Oh, one more thing. It's very cool that to have the free internet. So as I mentioned earlier, the in-flight entertainment is like go by Wi-Fi. So you have to watch the video, the live TV, and some games is through the Wi-Fi connection, and they also offer free Wi-Fi throughout the flight. There's no limits, but speed was okay. It's okay for play game and okay for the WhatsApp chat. The washroom is actually shared with the economy. So let me show you for this Boeing 777 J class washroom, I mean an economy class washroom. So there's a place for you to let the baby change the diaper. Space is okay, acceptable, full size mirror, and then uh, tissue, facial towel. That's it. Before landing, let me try the function of this, the leg rest. And then can't really feel it, the good support. Let me try to put down the seat. Oh, it's actually quite comfortable. It's very nice in this position. Overall, the JA class experience is just okay. It's nothing special to me for a short flight, and I can't really experience much more thing. For the meal or refreshment, they only serve 1 cup of drinks, and then I would say that if I will have a chance again, I will go to economy. I don't really see the difference, except the seat is slightly comfortable. I tried the domestic flight on other airline in Japan before. It was totally fine. So yep, now I'm going to collect my baggage and then we'll go to check-in. That's it. Ask me anything if you have any question about this domestic flight experience.